Hi everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to see about how you can convert from text to column in Excel. Okay. On the left hand side, I have a table which has full name, that is both first name and last name is written together and is separated by a space. Okay, I have like 6 names. Okay. Now we'll see how you can separate the first name and the last name. Okay, for you can do that by using this option. You need to go to the data tab, and under the data tab you'll find this text to column options. Okay, so now we'll use this option. I'll show you how. First you need to select the cells which you want to convert. Then if you click text to column option, a window will open. You need to choose the first selection, that is delimiter. Okay, delimiter means the other name for it is separator. Okay, as you can see, this first name and the last name is separated by a space, so we need to select the delimiter, that is separator. Okay, and click next, and there are a few options that what delimiter has been here. Here actually the separator is space, hence we selected space. Sometimes we will have a comma, that time we need to select this comma. Okay, so now both first and last name is separated by a space, hence the space is selected. Okay, as you can see, when I select this space, there is a line which separates the first name and the last name. Okay, now click next. Okay, now it will ask you the destination where you want to enter. You want to get the result in the same column, or you want it in a different column. So what I'll do is I'll keep it in C row. Okay, C column. Destination. When I press finish, see what happens. First name is the C column and the last name is in the D column. Both the full name has been separated into 2 columns. If you can see, McFury, Steve Rogers, Peter Parker, Dr. Octavius, Bruce Banner, Black Panther. Okay, so it is separated. And we have another example down where instead of space we have used the and symbol. Okay, now we'll see how we can separate this, convert this text into columns. Same as last time, select the names which you want to convert, and under the data tab, click text to columns. The first option, delimiter option, should be selected. Click next. As you can see, there is no space here, so you can uncheck it. You can click the other, and you need to type the and symbol. As soon as I type the and symbol, see what happens. There is a line comes between the first name and the last name, that is separated. Okay, and I click next. It will ask me the destination where I want to get the result. Same as last time, I'll select the C column. When I press finish, Excel gives me the result. First name and last name separated. Okay, so it is a very useful options when you have a lot of data. Say for example, if you have customer mail IDs and you want to get the names from the mail ID into another column, in that case also you can use this text to column options. Okay, so hope this video was useful, and if you like it, please click the like button and please do share it with your friends, and I'll just see you all in another video with another content. Thank you so much.